Hi, want to know how to use dual connection on your CMF by Buds Pro 2nd? So, as a first step, we would need to make sure that our earbuds are connected to our main phone and then go to this application named Nothing X. As a next step here, we would need to click on the settings icon on the right upper corner and here find this tab which is named Dual Connection. Click on it, and to enable this feature, you would need to click on the slider and then click button reboot so the changes can be applied to your earbuds. And now, as a next step, when you have enabled this feature, we would need to go to our second phone and open Bluetooth settings. But if you can't see your earbuds on the second device, don't worry. That means that we need to turn our earbuds into a pairing mode by holding this button on the right bottom corner for a few seconds. So let's hold it. And now we can release our finger, and here you can see that immediately on the second phone appeared the CMF Buds Pro 2nd. So let's click on it. And this is it. We have successfully connected our earbuds to two devices, and you can also see both of the devices on the main phone in the Nothing X application. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.